Dear students, now we are going to discuss a transcription unit according to conclusion made out of a foregoing discussion. What is that a foregoing discussion? During that, we decided that out of two strands, only one strand is involved. If one strand is involved, how much part is involved? Only some part is involved. That necessitates to demarcate or to decide a boundary of some part of DNA strand or DNA molecule that would be transcribed to produce mRNA and furtherly protein. So to answer that question, they provided one name, transcription unit, to that part, the part that would be transcribed. So that part is transcription unit. So what is a transcription unit? Transcription unit. Take one DNA molecule. So this is a DNA molecule. Three to 5, 5 to 3. So along the length of a DNA molecule, TU, this is a transcription unit 1. Along the length, many are present. Transcription unit 2, transcription unit 3, transcription unit 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Many are present. Okay, so what about the demarcation transcription unit? So any part of DNA where a transcription unit is present, that codes for synthesis of a protein. So for example, here I'm taking this one. This is the transcription unit, some segment of a DNA. This is also one segment of DNA. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so take a one transcription unit. So this area magnify it. Transcription unit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. N number. Take fourth one. Here I'm taking fourth one. So in the transcription unit, so this is a demarcated area, identified area. This part magnified. 3, 3. Okay, so this is a some segment. We'll see what is that one. And this is the other one given in your textbook. So this is a transcriptional unit. That may be 1 or 2 or 3. third one or fourth one or fifth one. Okay, so double stranded DNA molecule. Base pairing. Okay, right? So each transcription unit, TU, transcription unit is with three parts, three zones. What are they? One is promoter. Second one, structural gene. Third one, terminator. So at the time of transcription, promoter is able to initiate. So concerned with initiation. Initiation of transcription. Next, polymerization or chain elongation. Or chain elongation. This one is concerned with termination. So each transcription unit with three types of structures or components: promoter, structural gene, terminator. So for example, this one is promoter. This one, terminator. And in between these two, this one is structural gene. This part from here to here. So this one is structural gene. So any part of DNA with a promoter, structural gene, terminator is able to synthesize a protein. Okay. So here, enzyme, the main enzyme is a RNA polymerase. What is transcription synthesis of RNA molecule from DNA molecule? So this enzyme is a DNA dependent RNA polymerase. Depends on DNA template to synthesize RNA molecule. Hence the name RNA polymerase. This RNA polymerase is able to identify or able to locate promoter. Reason that is a initiating point. For any work, some point of initiation is mandate. Here also, for transcription, initiation region is a promoter region. That promoter region, that promoter is either Ribnow box or Tata box. Ribnow box. Scientist name. Tata box. So promoter is represented by sequence of nucleotides. That promoter is with a sequence of nucleotides for identification. I'm taking that one here. This promoter. Here I'm taking promoter. Promoter is either Ribnow box. Box that is represented by TA, Tata yet. Remember like that. Tata yet. So this sequence is present here. TA yet towards upstream. Okay, so that promoter is represented by either this sequence or one more sequence. Tata box. Tata box. What is the Tata box? That is with a TA, TA. Up to here same. This is also same. A. TA, TA, A. TA, TA, A. Up to fifth nucleotide, same. Here instead of T, take A. That is the only difference. So difference is a T and A. Very easy to remember. Tata yet. Tata AA. Tata yet. Pribnow box. Tata AA. Tata box. Pribnow box sequence of promoter is present in prokaryotes. Tata box sequence is present in eukaryotes. So RNA polymerase is able to move along the length of the DNA and able to locate this sequence in the case of prokaryotes. In the case of eukaryotes, this sequence. For example, it's a pen, for example. Pen. Close your eyes. Close it. Writing part is somewhere. Somewhere. Okay, here. Remove it. So promoter. Okay, now we can write. So for writing, initiation point is here or not. We have to identify that area. Okay, so like that, RNA polymerase is able to identify promoter with the help of either this sequence or this sequence. And here in this case, so-called sequence, either Tata box, either Pribnow box or Tata box is towards upstream of that strand. If it is upstream of a strand, promoter is towards upstream of a strand, that strand is called as a coding strand. So this one is a coding strand that do not code for transcription. Strangely, actually coding means that codes, but here coding means that it does not code for transcription. Okay, so all the terminology and all the strands, either template or coding, with reference to coding strand only. So for example, your coding strand is having TA, TA8. Okay, so that is promoter towards fifth end. Okay, so if the promoter sequence is towards fifth end of a strand, that is said to be coding strand. This coding strand is also called as a sense strand. Do not code for synthesis of RNA. Okay, next. Terminator is towards downstream of that strand. So in this case, promoter is towards upstream of this one. Terminator is towards downstream of this one. Okay, right? Now this strand, the opposite strand, this is called as a template or anti sense strand that really codes for transcription, formation of mRNA, tRNA, ribosomal RNA to synthesize a protein. Okay, right? So this is for initiation, this is for termination, and this is for synthesis of a protein. In addition to promoter, regulatory sequences are present, regulatory genes are present. They are towards either upstream or downstream. Here up and down is nothing but upstream, downstream is nothing but fifth carbon atom, third carbon atom of that sugar molecule, or fifth end, third end. This end is called as upstream. This one is called as a downstream. Okay, is it clear? Right? So that is about a transcriptional unit. By changing the position, by switching the position of promoter with a terminator, what about coding and template strand? That will be reversed or not? Now here I'm taking R. Now change the position of promoter and terminator. R. So previously we consider this one as promoter, this one as terminator. Now change it. This one is a terminator. This one promoter. And don't change the polarity of strands. 3, 5, 5, 3. And this one is a structural gene. So according to position of promoter and terminator, now this strand is coding strand, sense strand, and this one is template or antisense. So by changing the position of a terminator here, promoter here, what about the stands? Stands will be reversed. Okay, so here that is either template strand or location of terminator, depends on coding strand only. All are made on the base of reference of coding strand. Okay, right? So here in this case, what about a promoter towards upstream of this strand? And here